Hello, and this is the third video in this mini-series where I'm trying to get my Just Speccy 128 to work. In the previous two videos I did an unboxing of it and showed it that it wouldn't switch into 128 mode, and then the second video was how I fixed that, but I still have a problem with the DivMMC. So what I'm going to do is I've taken the SD card out of the machine, I've put it into my machine and it's on the screen at the moment, and I'm going to show you what we need to do to update the software on the card. So the web address that you need to go to is esxdos.org, and this is where you can get the latest operating system. So all you need to do, you can get the latest, and also you can get any betas that are currently there. So I've downloaded the latest and I put it on my drive somewhere. There we go. And then you just extract it to here. And this is the entire operating system for the DivMMC. So what you need to do is just literally copy it, paste it into the root of your SD card, say yes to replace. So that's now updated the operating system on the DivMMC. So I'm going to take it back to the Spectrum now and see if it resolves the problem of not playing any of the, or not running any of the files on the disk. I'll see you in a minute. Take care. Bye. Right, I've just set up the ZX Speccy. I've put the SD card in. So we're just going to boot the machine up and see what happens. So as you can see, no signal, so switch on. There we go. So at the moment I don't know if it's taken the right one, but what we'll do is we'll go in it, we'll do my typical fine manic miner, and then we'll find jet set. So press enter to go in. So I've read the instructions a bit now. So there's manic. So we have to press enter. Hey, here we go. This is what we want. That sounds nothing like the Commodore one. Right then, press enter. Right, I'm not sure what the keys are, so there we go. So that's left and right. There we go. There's found them now. Spent my very limited youth playing this game on the C64. Got a bit of an expert at doing this first level. Maybe only the first level I could do. Oh, missed it. Oh, I've blown it. See if I can get it. Oh! No! Right, let's try again. Oh dear, concentration now. There we go. That was close. Here we go. Come on. Run, 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 run. Right then. Right, I'll switch that off. And we'll try the other one. Jet set. And we'll see if I've fixed it or I just had a fluke. So J. Oops, too far. J. Right. Jet set. Ooh, Jetpack, another brilliant game. Oh dear. Hang on. There we go. Oh! Right, let that go through, jump over. Right, so you've got to get all the bits. I think I could have made that, but I'm not going to risk it. It's amazing how Jet Set looks very similar to Manic Miner. I don't think I've got all the bits. No. Right, that's that. Should I do another one? Nah. Well, there you go. So I've now got a fully working white ZX Spectrum Just Speccy 128 that can do both this, the 64K version, which is this one, or if I unplug it, switch it over, plug it back in, I get the 128 version. Well, that's been a bit of an ordeal to get this working correctly, but now it is. This is going to be the Spectrum I'm going to use when I'm going to do all the other videos for basic programming and Z80 machine language. So I hope you enjoyed my trials and tribulations to get this ZX Spectrum working, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.